up, Inside Track? Spencer Lewis here from Sunset Speedway. We got the second round of the MR8 Pro Series going on tonight. Pro late models, super stocks, and mini stocks, and extended distance features. It's invitational time. It gets started at 7 o'clock. You still got time to get to the racetrack if you're not here already. Plus, Inside Track Motorsport News is here, along with the Richard Petty Driving Experience. If you come on by, pick yourself up a Richard Petty Driving Experience ride, and bring your receipt to the Inside Track booth, we will give you the brand new issue of Inside Track Motorsports News, featuring the first quarter short track power rankings, along with a NASCAR diecast for free. If you're not a fan of the Richard Petty Driving Experience, no problem. You can still get the diecast, as we are selling subscriptions for only $25 for the year. That's a phenomenal deal. So you still got time. It's only 6 o'clock. You got an hour to get here. 75 laps for the Pro late models, 50 laps for the super stocks, 35 laps for the mini stocks going on at 7 o'clock. Make sure you're here.